Formula feeding is a great option for many families, but it can come with some common challenges. Here's a quick guide to the most frequent problems and how to handle them. Gas and fussiness in formula-fed babies are often caused by swallowed air during feeding or sensitivity to the formula. To help relieve this, burp your baby frequently during and after each feeding to release trapped air. Using a different nipple size or switching to an anti-colic bottle can also reduce air intake. Dr. Brown's Natural Flow Anti-Colic Bottle helps reduce colic, gas, and spit up by keeping air out of the milk. Its vent system supports smooth feeding and preserves nutrients, while the soft nipple makes switching from breast to bottle easier. Constipation in formula-fed babies can occur because formula is typically harder to digest than breast milk. To help ease constipation, you can offer your baby a small amount of cooled, boiled water if they are older than 3 to 4 months, but always consult your doctor first. Switching to a formula that contains added prebiotics or partially hydrolyzed proteins may also improve digestion and soften stools. Similac Total Care Infant Formula is gentle on your baby's tummy and supports healthy digestion. Its 5-HMO prebiotics support gut health, helping ease digestion and reduce gas, fussiness, and constipation. Spit up or reflux in babies is often due to an immature digestive system or feeding too much at once. To help reduce spit up, try feeding your baby in an upright position and keeping them upright for a while after feeding. Offering smaller, more frequent meals can also prevent overfilling the stomach. If the problem continues, consult your pediatric EN. If your baby has a rash or diarrhea after feeding, they may be allergic to cow's milk. Stop the formula and talk to your doctor. They may suggest a hypoallergenic or special formula. If your baby refuses to feed, they might not like the taste, may not be hungry, or could be feeling unwell. Try feeding in a quiet, calm place. If it continues, check for signs of illness or teething and consult your doctor. Feed your baby before they get too hungry and start crying. Watch for early hunger cues, like lip smacking or puckering. If your baby becomes upset, try calming them by gently rocking, walking while feeding, or playing soothing sounds to help them relax and feed more comfortably. Always hold your baby until they are finished their feed. Do not leave them alone with a bottle in their mouth, as they might choke. With the right approach and support, most formula feeding problems can be managed easily, helping your baby stay happy, healthy, and well-fed.